So I was hoping you'd go over all of the landmarks and then tell me the hard and easy ones. We'll see what the other groups did. So yes, at the proximal end, the brachial plexus is a mess. And if I zoom in, I could figure them out, knowing that these two go to the median nerve. We have the axillary, or the musculocutaneous coming off of there. See, I need to zoom in more even. But yeah, it's a mess up here. So I like looking at the nerves further on down the arm. And unfortunately, Complete Anatomy gave you some extra ones. So you're quite right on the musculocutaneous. She didn't went way up here to find it to make sure I was clicking on the wrong. So here's the musculocutaneous nerve. It just hangs out here. Now, unfortunately on this, we have all these other extra nerves going on here that are not on the study guide. So it's basically the only one that is going to stop up here. This is actually the axillary nerve. So that's going to wrap around the back of the shoulder socket right here. So for all the rest of them, I'm going to ask you way the heck down here. So the ulnar nerve is going to be on the ulna side. The radial nerve is going to be on this side. And then the median nerve is going to be right down the center. For the brain, I can't really zoom in because this record window goes away. But yeah, the pineal gland is this little tiny thing right here, and it's pineal gland, not epithalamus on the study guide. Yeah, this is the straight sinus. It's really not that big of an impressive sinus right here as well. Again, I had hoped that you would have instructed the class on all of these structures. So class, go through my study guide and make sure on this model, you know all the structures on the study guide and on the spine models. So it'll be like these models, but I'll probably put the posts on the hands here. And tell me why this is so big. This thumb is way bigger than this thumb. And why does he have the sock tin? So thank you guys.